सुमार 10 लाख भारतीय हेर देशांनी शिक्षण घेता. देशान उच्च शिक्षण दिवपाक शिक्षणीक संस्थांचे उणाव आशिल्ल्या कारणान ही परिस्थिती आयल्या अशा परराष्ट्र वेव्हार मंत्री एस. जयशंकर हांणी मान्य केल्या. हो प्रश्न सुटावो करपा खातीर भारत सरकार वावुरता अशें तांणी म्हणलां.
Now, it's very interesting. This concern is something which is very strongly felt in the government. So, what has happened in the last 8 years is, if you look at the total number of colleges in the country, look at the number of students who are graduating, even if you look at the, I'm giving you, not everybody can go to IIT and IIM. I didn't go myself, so I have no particular desire to use it as a reference point. But if you look, the number of IITs, number of IIMs, number of AIMS, number of engineering colleges, number of medical, every one of them has gone up. In some cases, they've gone up by 50-60% in the last 8 years. So, you are absolutely correct in identifying the problem, but you can't solve a problem in a year or two. Sometimes it takes 4-5 years by the time you do it. But I assure you, and this government has something called a new education policy. The new education policy is much more open also to foreign collaboration, to working with foreign universities in India to expand educational opportunities. So I would very much hope that the kind of situation we see today, that many people go abroad, not because they want to go abroad, but because they couldn't get the opportunity in India, I would certainly like to see that go down, and I can assure you that is very much the policy of the government.